A giant awakens. Adobe. A name synonymous with creativity, with pushing boundaries, with shaping the very fabric of the digital world. Hey there, Stock Studio community. Welcome back to another epic video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified every time we post awesome content like this. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of a creative software giant that revolutionized the digital world, Adobe. Buckle up, because this story is going to be legendary. From humble beginnings to a technological empire, Adobe's story is one of relentless innovation, strategic brilliance, and an unwavering commitment to empowering creators. This is the tale of how a small company armed with a vision revolutionized the way we create, communicate, and interact with the digital canvas. It is a story of visionaries, of John Warnock and Charles Geschke, who dared to dream of a world where the power of digital creativity was accessible to all. It is a story of groundbreaking products, of Photoshop and Illustrator, that reshaped industries and empowered artists, designers, and storytellers. It is a story of strategic acquisitions, of bold moves that expanded Adobe's reach and solidified its position as a digital titan. Adobe's journey is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, the relentless pursuit of innovation, and the unwavering belief in the transformative potential of technology. It is a journey that continues to unfold, with each new chapter pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the digital realm. This is the epic tale of Adobe, a digital titan whose story is etched in the pixels of our digital world. The year is 1982, the dawn of the personal computer age. In the heart of Silicon Valley, two visionaries, John Warnock and Charles Geschke, embarked on a journey that would forever change the landscape of digital creativity. Armed with a powerful vision and a revolutionary technology called PostScript, they founded Adobe Systems, setting in motion a chain of events that would redefine the way we create and interact with the digital world. PostScript, the brainchild of Warnock, was a groundbreaking page description language that enabled the precise rendering of text and graphics on printers. It was a revolutionary technology that addressed a critical need in the burgeoning computer industry, bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds. With PostScript as its cornerstone, Adobe set out to build a company that would empower individuals to express their creativity in ways never before imagined. Warnock and Geschke, both Xerox PARC alumni, shared a deep passion for technology and a strong belief in its potential to democratize creativity. They envisioned a world where anyone, regardless of technical skill, could harness the power of computers to bring their ideas to life. This vision, fueled by their unwavering commitment and relentless pursuit of innovation, would guide Adobe's trajectory in the years to come. From its humble beginnings in a small office in Mountain View, California, Adobe quickly gained recognition for its innovative technology and the transformative potential of its products. The company's early success was fueled by the rapid adoption of PostScript, which became the industry standard for printing, paving the way for Adobe's meteoric rise. 1988, a pivotal year in Adobe's journey. The birth of a legend, Photoshop, a software that would redefine digital image manipulation, democratizing creativity like never before. Developed by brothers Thomas and John Knoll, Photoshop emerged as a powerful tool, enabling users to manipulate, enhance, and create images with unprecedented control and precision. Photoshop's arrival marked a paradigm shift in the world of visual arts. Suddenly, photographers, designers, and artists had access to a digital darkroom, where they could manipulate light, color, and texture with unmatched precision. The software's intuitive interface and powerful features unleashed a wave of creative exploration, empowering users to push the boundaries of visual storytelling. Word of Photoshop's capabilities spread like wildfire. Its impact was immediate and profound, revolutionizing industries ranging from photography and advertising to film and publishing. Photoshop became the go-to tool for professionals and hobbyists alike, democratizing access to sophisticated image editing capabilities and fueling a global surge in digital creativity. Photoshop's success was a testament to Adobe's commitment to innovation and its ability to anticipate the evolving needs of creators. It marked a pivotal moment in the company's journey, establishing Adobe as a leader in the digital imaging revolution and setting the stage for its future dominance in the creative software market. 1987, another landmark year. Adobe unveiled Illustrator, a vector-based drawing program that would liberate artists and designers, providing them with unparalleled creative freedom. Illustrator's arrival revolutionized the design world, allowing for the creation of scalable graphics with crisp lines and precise curves, independent of resolution. Illustrator's impact was immediate and profound, transforming the fields of graphic design, illustration, and typography. Designers could now create intricate logos, stunning illustrations, and sophisticated layouts with ease, pushing the boundaries of visual communication. The program's intuitive tools and powerful features empowered designers to explore new artistic frontiers, unleashing a wave of creativity and innovation. Illustrator's arrival solidified Adobe's position as a champion of creative expression. By providing artists and designers with the tools to translate their ideas into stunning visuals, Adobe fostered a global community of digital creators, empowering them to shape the visual language of the digital age. With Photoshop and Illustrator in its arsenal, Adobe had become synonymous with digital creativity, providing the tools that empowered individuals to shape the visual landscape of the digital world. The company's relentless pursuit of innovation and its deep understanding of the needs of creators had positioned it at the forefront of the digital revolution, shaping the future of visual communication. Adobe's ambition knew no bounds. Their vision expanded beyond individual products, aiming to create a comprehensive ecosystem for creativity. This led to strategic acquisitions, bolstering their portfolio with innovative companies and technologies, each edition meticulously chosen, designed to empower creators across various mediums. Among these acquisitions, Aldus PageMaker stood out, a desktop publishing software that revolutionized print media. This strategic move solidified Adobe's dominance in the publishing industry, providing a seamless workflow from design to print. Further acquisitions brought forth Premiere, a video editing software, and After Effects, a motion graphics powerhouse, expanding Adobe's reach into the dynamic world of multimedia. These strategic expansions weren't just about acquiring technology, it was about acquiring talent, visionaries who shared Adobe's passion for empowering creators. Each edition brought fresh perspectives, innovative ideas, and a deep understanding of specific creative fields, enriching Adobe's ecosystem and solidifying its position as a comprehensive creative powerhouse. Adobe's strategic growth through acquisitions showcased their long-term vision. It wasn't just about dominating existing markets, it was about anticipating future trends, expanding into new creative territories, and ensuring they remained at the forefront of the digital revolution. This relentless pursuit of growth and innovation would become a hallmark of Adobe's journey, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of digital creativity. August 1986. Adobe takes a giant leap. A bold move, the company goes public, listing on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ADOBE. This pivotal moment reflected Adobe's maturity, its transition from a promising startup to a major player in the tech industry. The IPO infused the company with significant capital, fueling further expansion and innovation. The IPO was more than just a financial move, it was a statement of intent. It signaled Adobe's ambition to dominate the digital creative market, to invest heavily in research and development, and to expand its global reach. The influx of capital allowed Adobe to acquire new technologies, attract top talent, and solidify its position as a leader in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. The market responded enthusiastically to Adobe's IPO. Investors recognized the company's immense potential, its innovative products, and its strong leadership. Shares soared, reflecting the market's confidence in Adobe's vision and its ability to deliver on its promise of empowering creativity in the digital age. The IPO marked a turning point in Adobe's journey. It provided the financial muscle to realize its ambitious goals, to invest in groundbreaking technologies, and to expand its reach globally. This strategic move propelled Adobe into a new era of growth and innovation, solidifying its position as a digital titan and setting the stage for its future dominance in the creative software market. 1. Adobe embarks on a bold transformation. The launch of Creative Cloud, a subscription-based service that would revolutionize access to its creative suite. This groundbreaking move marked a paradigm shift in the software industry, providing users with a flexible and affordable way to access Adobe's powerful tools. Creative Cloud was more than just a new way to access software, it was a complete reimagining of the creative process. It offered users a seamless workflow, allowing them to move effortlessly between different applications, collaborate with others in real time, and access their work from any device. This cloud-based approach empowered creators with unprecedented flexibility and control, liberating them from the constraints of traditional software licensing. The impact of Creative Cloud was immediate and profound, transforming the creative industry. It lowered the barrier to entry for aspiring creators, providing access to professional-grade tools at an affordable price. It also fostered a vibrant online community, enabling creators to connect, share their work, and learn from each other. Creative Cloud's success was a testament to Adobe's ability to adapt and innovate in a rapidly changing technological landscape. It demonstrated the company's deep understanding of the evolving needs of creators, providing them with a powerful and flexible platform to bring their ideas to life. This strategic move solidified Adobe's position as a leader in the digital creative market, paving the way for its continued dominance in the years to come. Section 8. Financial Fundamentals. A Titan's Strength. Adobe's journey is not just a tale of technological innovation, it's also a story of financial strength and strategic prowess. The company's consistent growth and robust financial performance reflect its ability to adapt to evolving market dynamics, its commitment to shareholder value, and its unwavering focus on long-term sustainability. Adobe's financial performance is characterized by strong revenue growth, driven by the success of its subscription-based Creative Cloud model. The company's high profit margins and consistent cash flow generation reflect its operational efficiency and its ability to generate significant returns on its investments. This financial strength provides Adobe with the resources to invest in research and development, pursue strategic acquisitions, and reward its shareholders. Adobe's strong financial fundamentals are a testament to its sound business strategy, its disciplined financial management, and its ability to execute its vision effectively. The company's consistent performance over the years has instilled confidence in investors, attracting long-term capital and solidifying its position as a blue-chip stock in the technology sector. Adobe's financial success is not simply a byproduct of its technological prowess, it's a testament to its strategic foresight, its disciplined financial management, and its unwavering commitment to delivering value to its shareholders. The company's robust financial performance provides a solid foundation for its continued growth and innovation, ensuring its ability to shape the future of digital creativity for years to come. Section 9. Adobe Today, Leading the Digital Canvas. Today, Adobe stands as a titan in the digital realm. A global powerhouse, its software has become the industry standard, shaping the way we create, communicate, and interact with the digital world. From photographers and designers to marketers and educators, Adobe's tools empower millions of individuals to bring their ideas to life. Adobe's dominance extends beyond its core creative suite. Its footprint encompasses a vast array of solutions, from document management and electronic signatures with Adobe Acrobat to marketing automation and analytics with Adobe Experience Cloud. This comprehensive ecosystem of products and services caters to a diverse range of needs, solidifying Adobe's position as an essential partner for businesses and individuals navigating the digital age. Adobe's success stems not only from its technological prowess, but also from its deep understanding of the evolving needs of its users. The company consistently pushes the boundaries of innovation, incorporating cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning into its products, empowering creators with advanced tools and streamlining workflows. Adobe's journey is a testament to the transformative power of technology and the enduring human spirit of creativity. The company's unwavering commitment to empowering creators, its relentless pursuit of innovation, and its strategic vision have positioned it at the forefront of the digital revolution, shaping the way we interact with the digital world and inspiring countless individuals to express themselves and make their mark on the world. Section 10. The Future of Creativity, Adobe's Vision. Adobe's journey is far from over. The company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the digital realm, driven by its unwavering commitment to empowering creators and shaping the future of creativity. Adobe's vision for the future is one where creativity is accessible to all, where technology empowers individuals to express themselves in unprecedented ways, and where the digital canvas becomes a limitless playground for innovation. Adobe's vision for the future is deeply intertwined with emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality. The company is actively exploring how these technologies can be harnessed to enhance the creative process, providing creators with new tools and capabilities to bring their ideas to life. From AI-powered features that automate tedious tasks to immersive experiences that blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds, Adobe is at the forefront of integrating emerging technologies into its creative ecosystem. Adobe's commitment to the future of creativity extends beyond its own products and services. The company actively fosters a global community of creators through initiatives such as the Adobe Creative Jam, providing a platform for collaboration, innovation, and the exchange of ideas. Adobe also champions the importance of creative education, partnering with schools and organizations to empower future generations with the skills and tools they need to thrive in the digital age. Adobe's vision for the future is bold and inspiring. It's a vision where technology empowers, where creativity knows no bounds, and where the digital canvas becomes a platform for limitless expression and innovation. As Adobe continues its journey, its unwavering commitment to empowering creators and shaping the future of creativity will undoubtedly continue to inspire and amaze, leaving an enduring legacy on the digital landscape. Section 11. A Legacy of Innovation. Adobe's journey is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, the relentless pursuit of innovation, and the unwavering belief in the transformative potential of technology. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a digital titan, Adobe has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, empowering creators and shaping the digital world we inhabit. Adobe's legacy is etched in the pixels of our screens, in the vibrant images that captivate our senses, in the sleek designs that inform our daily lives, and in the interactive experiences that connect us with the world around us. The company's products have become ubiquitous, seamlessly integrated into our personal and professional lives, empowering us to express ourselves, communicate effectively, and navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. Adobe's impact extends far beyond its own products and services. The company's unwavering commitment to empowering creators has fostered a global community of artists, designers, storytellers, and innovators, shaping the visual language of the digital age and inspiring countless individuals to embrace their creative potential. Adobe's legacy is a testament to the power of technology to democratize creativity, to connect us with each other, and to shape a more vibrant and expressive world. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, Adobe remains at the forefront of innovation, embracing new possibilities and empowering creators to explore uncharted creative territories. The company's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible ensures that its legacy of innovation will continue to inspire and amaze for generations to come.